Alrighty guys, so today I'm going to be showing you an example of how I use both Notion and Obsidian together. And this will be basically a basis of not only tracking what is working for my hair, but also I may want to create content or do other stuff with this. So having it structured in a particular way is very important. Now, Notion has a really cool database kind of layout here that I really love. And I can attach this to a really nice dashboard, like my dashboard for my uh, self care, or I can also attach this to content creation. But when it comes to like looking at how things are connected together, how the notes are connected together, I like to use Obsidian because Obsidian has what they call a graph view. And this graph view allows you to do interconnections. So you can look at events here, and these events are the phases that I use when it comes to my hair. From that, I have problems, which means problems connected to a particular product, like protein overload. So it's a 10 miracle leave-in product. I had an issue with product overload or protein overload. And I'm like, well, what does that really mean? Right? I could probably actually also connect it to this. But then I went in and I did some repairs and started to get my hair back into a better position. Again, I'm also a big researcher. So I like to actually research ingredients. I like to take this further than just looking at the label because some of these products share the same ingredients, but they do not perform the same. So when it comes to like structure and making connections, Obsidian is really great. When it comes to making sure everything is in a database, and of course there are connections here, but it's just not the same. I like to use Obsidian for those connections, and as far as like database and hooking things up to other things like different calendars, I specifically like Notion. So I hope this is a good example for you guys, and I also think like taking something that you are building for yourself is a great way of exploring things and sort of working to see how you think, and then using tools that are available to you if it's possible to then help you with that. But that's about it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.